Hello, my name is Marjorie. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. Wanted to just hop on because I received a beautiful order and I wanted to share that with you all. The store name is Bird and Barn Designs. I will link that Etsy shop in the description box, and this is from Martha. And I just wanted to I wanted to hop on here and just open this with you all. Just look at this beautiful, pretty tissue paper. So I was excited. She was having a sale. She may still have it going on certain items. Excuse me, my voice is still recovering. So I hope you can hear me well. And I'm not doing a good job here. I was trying not to tear it. So pretty. Okay. So yes, as I was mentioning, she has, it's beautiful. So she had a sale, and she had a few drawstring bags available on her sale, and I just fell in love with this beautiful Paris drawstring bag, which is this, and it looks like this is some extras. I don't know which to look at first. Maybe I'll look at this. She tied it such a pretty way with pink satin. Beautiful lace here. Thank you, Martha. This is such a beautiful package, and I believe these are extras. This is just extras that she added to my order. Thank you. I'm sorry for all the noise, and I hope that you can hear me. I feel that if I start speaking any louder, I may have a coughing episode, and I don't want that. So look how sweet this is. This looks to me like a sachet. And look at this beautiful washi tape. As I mentioned before, I love purchasing from other creators, crafters, artists. I just love it. It's such a beautiful experience. I think I'm gonna leave that in there because those are rosebuds. I'm gonna smell it. This is so gorgeous, so beautiful. Thank you, Martha. So sweet. I love it. Okay, yes. Thank you card. And look how beautiful this is. I need to learn how to tie bows. Everyone ties like the most beautiful bows, and I have not mastered that. Gorgeous. Thank you. 2 pieces of doilies, vintage looking doilies. Thank you. Look at this ruffle. Love that. Thank you, Martha. This keeps clinging onto my sweater. Okay. Look at this beautiful strip of fabric in Paris. I guess it's no secret that I love all things Paris. Thank you, Martha. I really do appreciate that. And look, another strip of Paris fabric. This is beautiful. Thank you, Martha. It's lovely. I love how you see how you get a good piece. Wow. That's very generous of you, Martha. Thank you so much. Oh, look at this. This is so beautiful. Do you see that? It's so sparkly and beautiful. And look at this beautiful pin. Wow. Beautiful strip of rhinestones here. Wow. Crown. I love this. This is gorgeous. Wow, this is more than a thank you. Thank you. This is generous. Wow. Absolutely lovely. Thank you. Wow. Looks like there's a letter. How gorgeous. I love this envelope. Thank you. Marjorie, thank you so much for your purchase and for supporting my Etsy shop. I hope that you enjoy your Paris bag. It is one of my favorite. I am grateful to have met you and feel blessed to count you among my friends. Many blessings, Martha. Thank you, Martha. I appreciate that. What a lovely, beautiful thank you note and extra goodies. That's super generous. Thank you so much. Let me see if I can, so I can show you the back. Oh, I love this. Thank you so much. Okay, I love this. So here's, it's pinned, and look at this little sweet tag. Let me see how, okay. How beautiful is that? I don't know, is this stamped? Or maybe it's a pattern? But I love this. Very sweet and dainty. And here's the beautiful bag. More of the pink satin. More of the beautiful lace here. Thank you. That always comes handy when you're crafting and creating. And this is such a beautiful, beautiful material. Wow. I love this so much. And it's like a very soft pink with white dots. That is beautiful. Thank you, Martha. Wow, that's, oh, I love this. So this is what I mean, you know, not only are you getting a beautiful handmade item, but just the thought and the care that the shop owner puts into the packaging and presentation, that is just so lovely. Okay, so here is the beautiful bag. Okay, let me turn it. Let me take this packaging out. Okay. Look how precious. Look, this is so, so beautiful. Look at this. So sweet. La la. And I believe, oh, she protected the pin. Wow, thank you, Martha. It looks like you can take this snippet off. Wow, this is beautiful. Let me look through this here. So this looks like it's on a big pin, and it has, oh, you see that bling? With a sweet rose charm. And then she has bits of appliques, different types of appliques, and a beautiful ruffle here. more snippets of laces. And another piece of applique. Oh, a beautiful tulle with pearls and rhinestone. More of that gorgeous lace. Another beautiful pink lace that has a beautiful shimmer to it. I hope the camera is picking that up. It's nighttime here, so. Oh, this is gorgeous as well. Look at this. And this satin is so soft. Oh, I love the feel of that. This is so beautiful, Martha. Another beautiful, soft, delicate lace. And it just has this beautiful, soft tulle with some sparkles. I love that. And look at this fabric. This is so lovely. Let me see. I hope you can see the whole thing, but this is just gorgeous. Let me put this to the side here. So this is a drawstring bag. I love the pink. I love this beautiful pink lace as well. Let's look at the back side. I just thought it was very feminine and beautiful, and the Eiffel Tower and Paris, and I love, love, love all things Paris and French, and just gorgeous. The fabric, it even has, let me see, I think the camera is catching. It has like glitter on the Eiffel Tower. Then it has the beautiful Paris print on it, and it has like script, then some kind of postage stamp. So I just love this so much. I'm so thankful that she made it available. And she is I'm gonna also link her YouTube channel, because she's gonna have a few more of these projects that she's gonna start adding to her store. So you definitely want to follow her shop on Etsy, and you also want to follow her on her YouTube channel, because that's where she shares projects, which she's very creative and inspiring. But she also updates on any projects or items that she will be making available in her Etsy shop. So you just want to keep yourself up to date, because these are one of a kind type of items, and I just love that so much. And she's very creative, so please visit her YouTube channel and visit her Etsy shop, so that way you're up to date on any releases or any sales that she has, because this one was on sale and I was so thankful for that. So yeah, definitely follow her, so then that way you are up to date. And thank you all very much. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope everyone is again doing well, and I hope that my voice was not too different. And thank you so much for your encouragement, and I hope that you